Hello there, James here from Hybrid Hobby. I have something I want to show you guys today. It's a surprise from our friends at Athearn. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh, nice. I do gotta say, I love these blue Genesis boxes. Horizon Hobby, definitely locomotive, guys. Let's see what we got. Awesome, SP GP40-2 with DCC Sound Tsunami 2. Let's check it out. Before I start, I want to give a huge thank you to Michael Woodruff and Christopher Palmieri for letting us use their awesome photos of the actual road number of our review model in service, SP7623. Well, where to begin with the GP40-2? By the early 1970s, many first-generation diesels were reaching the end of their service lives. The most common replacement locomotives became the GP40-2. EMD began production of the 16-cylinder, turbocharged 3,000 horsepower engine in 1972. These locomotives were developed for service where higher horsepower and speeds were preferable. For more than 40 years, the GP40-2 has worked mainline freights, locals, switching jobs, yard service, and helper service for numerous different railroads. Seen here in service with the Southern Pacific, these units went on to serve the Union Pacific, and many are still in service today. Another huge thank you to Jonrailvideos on YouTube for letting us use this amazing video of an XSP GP40-2 in service for the Union Pacific. Caught recently in the Southern California area, this GP40-2 has seen its fair share of days in service. Alright everyone, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Alright, let's take a look at this locomotive's features. Locomotives come fully assembled and ready to run. They have been scaled from prototype resources including drawings, field measurements, photographs, and accurately painted and printed schemes are applied. The many details include coupler cut levers, MU hoses, train line hose, see-through cab windows, full cab interior, walkway tread, fine scale Celcon handrails for scale appearance, windshield wipers, lift rings, wire grab irons, detailed fuel tank with fuel fillers, fuel gauges, and breather pipes, sander lines, McHenry scale knuckle couplers that are KD compatible, a Genesis driveline with a 5-pole skew-wound motor with precision machined flywheels and multi-link drivetrain, all-wheel drive with precision gears for smooth and quiet operation, all-wheel electrical pickup provides a reliable current flow, wheels with RP25 contours operate on all popular brands of track, LED lighting for realistic appearance, and a heavy die-cast frame for greater traction and more pulling power. The Southern Pacific units are modeled after repainted locomotives. Specific features include late grills, P3 Nathan horn, brake wheel on the nose, Bloomberg M trucks, modified L window, air conditioner, removed gyro lights, SP-style jacking pads, truck-mounted spare knuckles, and also features road number specific details. For example, our unit, number 7623, includes a beacon, short EMD-style ditch lights, notched nose plated over the gyro light, and a roof-mounted bell. Sound-equipped models also feature an onboard DCC decoder with Soundtrack Tsunami 2 sound, an ability to operate in both DC and DCC, precision slow-speed control, the ability to program a multiple-unit lash-up with lead unit-only horn, bell, and lights, and many functions can be altered via configuration value changes using the CV chart included in the box. DCC Ready models come with a 21-pin connector for decoder of your choice. Alright, let's get this locomotive out on the road and see what she's all about. A huge thank you also goes out to the California Southern Model Railroad Club for help making this video possible. This Athearn Genesis GP40-2 is very impressive. From the sounds, to the details, to the pulling power, and everything in between. If you're looking for a GP40-2 for your layout, look no further. SP fans will rejoice with the road, name, and number specific details with this model. Head on over to horizonhobby.com to pick one up today. Also available from your favorite online model train retailer and your local hobby shop. Until next time, This is James from Hybrid Hobby.